Yeager served in Iraq, so there's Operation Iraqi Freedom, and then he served 2 tours in Afghanistan, which would have been Operation Enduring Freedom. April 12th, 2012, Yeager was in the Helmand province of Afghanistan, and Lance Corporal Abraham Tarwo was his handler at the time. They came across a legacy IED that detonated and unfortunately took the life of Lance Corporal Tarwo and wounded Yeager. And so Yeager was awarded the Purple Heart for that event. Yeager lost part of his ear in the IED explosion, and he's got shrapnel. Well, you can see the shrapnel scars on his snout. No. I think he has selective deafness sometimes, but otherwise his hearing is really pretty good.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Here for St. Patrick's Day, he ate the whole corned beef
Oh my goodness.
off the counter. I had gone upstairs and I thought maybe the kids had moved it or something, and I was like going crazy, where's the corned beef? So we had a vegan St. Patrick's Day. Yeager is an ambassador for the Canine Hero Foundation. So what they do is they take these working dogs, not just military working dogs, but they'll also take former law enforcement dogs. Big deal. It's a national competition, and they get recognized. He would go to Hollywood, and they have a big awards ceremony.
Everybody go vote for Yeager so he can win Dog of the Year. So what is the title?
Hero Dog of the Year.
So he can win Hero Dog of the Year. I'm going to drop a link below in the comments where you can vote for Yeager, and thanks everybody for watching today.